Ask Tom on Home Show.
Sherry from Louisville, Kentucky has a question about temperature fluctuations.
Well, she's in a new home, Tom, that has a 1-year warranty, and it's on the verge of expiring. So she's a little concerned about taking care of business. Sherry writes, temperatures fluctuate quickly from hot to cold, especially upstairs and in the garage. I'm afraid this will cause my HVAC to break down prematurely. Could insufficient insulation be causing these fluctuations? Also, there are other issues: exposed wood at the roof's drip edge, partially covered ridge vents, no HVAC kill switch, hanging, blah, blah, blah. There's a bunch, as you can see. And they were all stated in the builder request for repair contract. What is your best advice, Tom, in dealing with a builder on one of these expiring warranty deals? How would you recommend she engage with the builder?
Okay, a couple of things. I'll do them quickly. The air conditioner is not going to break down prematurely because it turns on and off. In fact, today air conditioning systems are designed to cycle quickly because it keeps the temperature. It doesn't let it drop too far. So it's going to come on and off within a half a degree or so, and depending on the day, it's going to make it run quite a bit. But it doesn't break it down. It's fine. Secondly, everybody gets these 1-year warranties like it's my last chance to get free. That's not what it's about. If you have issues with a house, a new home, and you're up front with your builder, you should make sure that they are told in writing, not at the very end to pick out every little thing you can find. You'll drive people crazy and just cause bad blood. Just the stuff that has a warranty issue. If you have it, give it to them in writing, document it. If you have to do it through a certified mail, emails, whatever the case may be, that's all you can do, and do it before the 1-year date. And if a builder does help you, they help you. If they don't, I don't know really the legal part of it. That's not what this show is about. But I can tell you as a previous builder, I was going to say an old builder, which I'm old, but a previous builder, some people would just go around and think this is some kind of time to remodel their house after the year, and it's not. If you put a hole in the wall, that's your fault. If a tree strikes your house, that's not the builder's fault and causes a siding problem. So it has to be a legitimate reason to have someone come out and just touch up paint and do a couple little things, fix a plug that doesn't work. That happens once in a while, but it's not this end all where, oh my God, the house is going to cost me a fortune now. It's not what it's about.
Yeah, there comes a point when it's give or take. You have to decide what's worth the battle and what isn't. But does she have any recourse if the builder goes, we're gonna pass?
It's a legal thing. So now this is in Kentucky, if I remember correctly.
Yes, it is Louisville.
I'm not familiar with Kentucky laws. They could be really strict, and they might not have any laws at all. I know in Texas, we'll see what happens. There's not a lot of laws for homeowners. Homeowners in the state of Texas don't have a lot of rights. It's just the way it's always been. So you'll have to go through your local agencies to figure out if it's really worth fighting for $300 in repairs, or overall if the house is good, it's fine. Does it need some more insulation? Maybe, maybe not. The temperature fluctuation is a hard one to tell people, hey, my garage gets hot. Well, it's summertime. It's going to get hot. Exactly. So there's certain things that you're just going to have to, when you're a homeowner, you're going to have to deal with.
No, yeah, it's the cost of owning a home. And as my dad said, if you can't pay the dues, don't join the club.
It's true. You got to put gas in the car. You can't just have it.
That's exactly right. You got a question? You can have that for free. Just go to HomeShowRadio.com and go and click on that blue Ask Tom button right on our homepage, and then tell us whether you want to send us a video or you're going to write. It'll give you different choices to do that, and then you fill out this form. And you can send us pictures. We love to get the pictures because it helps us do a better job answering them, and Tom loves answering them, and we love helping Tom do that. That's why we post a new one every day on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and HomeShowRadio.com.